How to get your first order on Fiverr. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can get your first order on Fiverr. If you are a freelancer or looking for different jobs, you are putting up your gigs on Fiverr but not getting jobs, then this video is for you. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is just come to fiverr.com, of course, and if you are a freelancer, if you are a beginner, and you have just started with Fiverr and you're wondering how to get your first job on Fiverr, then I have few tips for you that will actually help you to get your first order. So what happens on Fiverr is that Fiverr is actually a very big platform where there are thousands of millions of users and freelancers who are who have created their gigs on in different niches. There are hundreds of categories that you can actually go for. You can see right here that every category has hundreds of subcategories, and in every category there is competition, and that's what we don't want. We want to get jobs, and it becomes difficult. So what's gonna happen is, what you have to do is the first tip that you need to keep in mind while creating a gig on Fiverr is to keep your description descriptive enough. Now, what do I mean by that? When we create a gig on Fiverr, let me just show you some examples. For example, let's just check out any person. Let's go with this one. So if I check this person out right here, so I will be able to show you these are actually pro verified, so that'll be actually good. So you can see right here that this person, this is the about this gig option, and you will see, welcome, I am Bob, your friendly neighborhood voice guy. Now look at this guy. What he has done is, this is the description for the gig, right? And you can see how descriptive it is. You can see that this person has actually shown that what they can do. Their description is good. If I am looking to hire somebody and I open up their gig, I will read it and I'll be like, oh, okay, so I'm getting everything that I was looking for. If I want a script review, I can just ask this person. So this is what you need to do. Don't go with just simple description. And here's a tip. In this method, what you can do is, you can see right here that this person has added their name. Now this is a very important thing that you can actually do as well, that because this person has added the name, it is good for the SEO. Because if I go to Fiverr and if I go to this search and I search for maybe his name, this guy will come up right away at first, one of the first people. Maybe there are hundreds of people with this name, but they might not have added their name in the description. So make sure to add your name. If somebody is searching for you, if somebody is looking for you, or maybe another person with your name, they will actually discover you, and being discovered means you will get the job, because that's what we want. We want to be get discovered. And if you have a good description which is descriptive enough and which is good for SEO, which is SEO friendly, then you will be able to get your job on Fiverr. So make sure that when you create a gig, your description should be good. Make sure to add all the details about you and about your job. If somebody comes looking for a video editor or graphic designer, they will actually find you. The next thing that I want you to do is to have a good visual representation of yourself. And what do I mean by that? You should have a video of yourself in the gig. For example, look at this. They're saying these are the gigs that I might like, right? So you can see I have like 4 gigs right now open in front of me, and you can see 2 of them actually have this image, but these 2 have videos. And what's gonna happen now if I open this up, and let's just say I open this person up. So you can see right here that this person is a musician. Now, let's just say I was looking for a musician and I came across this gig. Now, the option of video, that this person has added a video to their gig, I can actually hear them play the instrument, and that will actually have a big advantage for this person, because I can actually see how they are doing. If you are an editor, if you added videos, you can add a sample video to your gig, and it will actually help you get more clients. Whenever a person is looking, let's just say a normal person, whenever maybe we are looking for to hire somebody, and we check out a video, we are getting a sample from somebody, and we are getting a introduction, a video introduction would be better than just an image. And you can see right here that all of the pro verified freelancers, they have their you can see the videos. So instead of adding a picture and image, I will suggest, you can see right here that this is a good picture they have, but just a video adds this element to your gig that guarantees your job, and that increases the chance of getting a job by 50% and 60%. So you can see all the pro verified also have added videos. So as a beginner, not just people actually ignore this fact, and as a beginner they're like, okay, we're gonna go with just image, maybe we'll add a video later, maybe when we will be pro verified or something like that. But if you are adding your video, if your gig looks like the professional gig, and it looks like the ones that pro verified users have, then you will get the job, and client will actually be attracted to it, and they will check out their video, they will read your description, and they will automatically be attracted towards your gig. So they will check out their gig and then order. So the next tip I have for you is to have low pricing. Now, as a beginner, what's going to happen is that there are hundreds of users and freelancers out there that have the same job, that are actually, created their gigs, and they might have reviews. And this is where, as a beginner, we lack reviews. As a beginner, you will definitely not have that many reviews as we compare to other freelancers. So to stand out, to make your gig stand out, what you have to do is, as a beginner, just have a low pricing, because you will get your first job. It's okay to be start low when you are just starting. If you will get first job, then you will actually get a review also. So it's okay to go low first, and you should just add low pricing for your gig, and you will actually get a client, because guys, people are actually looking for cheap alternatives, and there are people who actually think that everything on Fiverr is $5, but we know that that's not true. But you can actually make them happy and have a gig which is low in pricing, and as compared to others, when your gig will have low pricing, so the client who is looking for to get work done in cheap, and they're looking for a gig which is not that expensive, then they will definitely hire you. So this is one of the tips that you should go with. Don't go for your first job, don't just go over the board with hundreds of dollars. That will not work. So start low, have a good description, add a video, and have a good profile picture, and create this amazing gig, and then you will get your first order, and you can just make money easily. So yeah guys, I hope that I was a big help to you. This brings us to the end of the video. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.